want to show you how to gather the information about the earnings announcement and earning calls. I know in the class today, I shared with you using the Google Finance or Yahoo Finance. Apparently, it looks like they don't have that level of details on those services. However, any company's website will have those information. Usually, it will be labeled as investor or investor relationships. Let me show you an example of Apple, and then I will take another example to Google. Okay, so here is the Apple's website. Okay, the home website. So you want to scroll down and scroll down to where you see the end, see investors. Investors. Okay, click the investors, and you will see the investor updates. You will see the conference call webcast. That's where you need to locate and view the press release. Okay, and you can even view the Form 10-K, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission about the annual report. Okay, so those information, you can use information in addition to the annual report you can find from our school's merge database. Now, so this is Apple, and the location is under the investors. Okay, right here under About Apple. Now let's take a look at Google. So this is this is a Google's website. Okay, this is not Google search. You have to go to the Google company's website, and then you go to the company news and scroll down. You see more about us. You see investor relations. Investor relations. And you will see the press release, webcast, and you can see the transcript of the webcast. So that's where you can find out this the 2019, the first quarter, second quarter, and second quarter. And that's the 2018 first quarter, second, third, and the last quarter. So if you want to look at the last fiscal year, you want to look at 2019 fiscal year, the press release, webcast, and transcript. Okay? All right. Good luck.